Hey YouTube, this is your girl Jungle Girl, and I'm back with the second part of my video. I just received two of my orders, one from Modest Leaf and the other one is from Arts and Garden, and I'm still waiting on another plant from Country Guard by Sparrow. So I'm gonna go and do this box opening because I got to go to work in a few minutes, and I wanted to go and open these plants up with you guys and see if they needed water and how they turned out, and then I'll continue to tell you about these plants in part 3, or I just add it on to this one. So let's get right into opening up the plants. Today I had to come outside because the kids have taken over the living room and the dining room, and my husband is taking over the bedroom. He's watching football, so I had to come outside. So if you hear a dog barking, it's my neighbor's dog. And today I got scissors, y'all. It's the packaging that came in. My address is on the so stay fragile. And this is from the Arts and Gardens, and the owner is Pam. These scissors are good. I did better with my knife. Ooh, she got this still shit. Because it took so long for it to get here. So we got paper. Oh, she got me some little gummy candies, y'all. Look at this. I love gummy bears. I don't know how she knew that, but maybe she didn't, but I love gummy bears. And it has a little letter in a card, and it says, "Thank you, Pam." Oh, that's so sweet. This is a card. Pam Burton Arts and the Garden. And on here, on my little invoice, it says thank you. And it has a little care plan showing you how to take care of the plants. Oh, that's so sweet, little gummy bears. Thank you, Pam, for the gummies. I love gummies. Oh, I'm so scared now. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, it's wet. It says, please cut at the dotted line and pull out the inner tissue roll and gently unwrap. Let me get this out the way. Put a dotted line. Okay. So it has directions showing you how to open the package. Feels wet. It says take out the tissue. And unwrap. Oh, it's real small. It's a mini. Put right here. It's a mini plant, baby. Now, this is way smaller than what I thought. I just hope it's in good shape. Put it right here. These scissors are so dull. I hope I ain't cut no leaf. Oh, y'all. so cute. It's a mini baby, but it's cute. Look at that. My Calathea Zebrina, y'all. I like the little mini plants, I ain't gonna lie. Because I like to try to watch them grow. The little mini plants be so cute. I call them my little homeboys or little homegirls. Because they so small. Especially the little small cacti. But I do get big plants too. But I got so many big ones that I have to start shopping for little minis now. Not saying I'm not getting any more big ones, but oh y'all, look at the little cute pot. All the leaves are in good shape. Oh, that is cute. Thank you, Pam, and thanks for the gummies. And I'll be ordering from you again. And this is her card again, you all. Let me get it to focus. Can you all see that? I'm gonna eat these gum and put this in my pocket on my way to work. Let's keep it moving, y'all. The next plants are from Modest Leaf, and these are the ones. Oh, let me go back. So as you all can see, that it's in a 2.5 inch pot. It's a Calathea Zebrina. We came in soil, as you can see, potted up from Phoenixville, and the owner is Pam. It took 3 days to get here. So the other ones are by Modest Leaf, and the owner is Alex from Los Angeles. California. This the box, y'all. I think these are in 6-inch pots, 4-inch pots. I'm not sure. Sometimes you be ordering so much you forget what you ordered. We hear the dog barking, y'all. I told y'all. Look cute though. You must see another dog. But y'all excuse that. I hope it's not being on your nerves. I know a lot of you all are probably puppy lovers out there. This over here. So it comes with bubble packs. I know you all are used to seeing this. A lot of these. Ooh, it's a big one. It's okay. What you fussing about? It's on rocks or something. Ooh, you took the leaf. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, y'all. Look at that. Oh my God. That's my rattlesnake. Oh, it is so nice, y'all. Look, you guys. It's big. It's bigger than what I expected. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. It's taped down real good. As you all can see, she has it staked up. Oh, he has it staked up. It's Alex. Thank you, Alex. I like you. I'll be shopping with you and Pam again. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. He just barking, y'all. He upset about something. He probably want to go back in the house. That's what he do when he ready to go in the house. Oh my God. I'm gonna be late for work trying to open some plants, but I know we all have done it. He had some kind of cotton to protect. Oh, he's just mad today, ain't it? It's okay. Okay, but that's how it looks, you guys. Go to the next one because I gotta hurry up and get out of here. I got dirt all on my uniform. This one is in a pot, kind like this. I think this is like a little 4-inch pot. Wrapped the same way with the stick. Oh my gosh! Look at my orbifolia. A little browning, but it's okay. He's said in the message that it might have a little browning or whatnot. I'm so happy, y'all. I got one more plant, baby, and I'm gonna add to this video as soon as it arrives. Hopefully it'll be here. I don't know, because Monday is a holiday, so I might get it Tuesday. Y'all just don't know how long I've been wanting these plants because we don't have any in our area. But none of them none of them are dry. They're still moist, so that lets me know the seller sent it right on time, and it wasn't basically, none of them were really like just sitting. Don't seem like they were sitting in the box. And I was scared, y'all. I was scared. I'm talking about nervous because I never ordered anything offline, so I didn't know how everything was gonna turn out. But everything came fine. I got one more though. But you all get a sense of how it looks. Calathea orbifolia. I love calatheas, and I'm trying to collect them all. I got a list of things that I want. So this concludes our video, and like I said, I'll be back with the other unboxing. But a girl gotta go to work because the girl needs some money to buy some plants. So I'll holler at you all later. Bye.